Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In this video, I will show you Google Chat tutorial for beginners, so make sure to watch until the end for you to learn the steps and how to use the Google Chat. And now, let's get started. Now from your browser, go to this right side section of your browser and you will see this option and click the chat. Now you don't have to create another account for this because your email will serve as your account. Now the new chat option right here is serve as the option if you want to message someone, just enter their email. And then after that, you're going to click their email and then start chat. Now, Google Chat has a feature where you can mention by the name of a person, space, or drive document, so it is much easier for you to ensure that the recipient notices your message, even in a busy chat or when notifications are muted. So if you want to chat to someone, just simply type your message and then click the triangle button in the right side of your Google Chat. And then here we have the option to change the style of our text. So we can bold, italize, underline, and change the color. We have here also the bullet, and then the underline, and then the link, or where you can enter the URLs. Now, when it comes to the plus button at the left side, it is used to attach the drive files or for calendar invitation. Now, just like many messaging platforms, we also have here the option to send an emoji to our recipient. So you can choose a lot of emojis right here. And then here also we have the GIFs. And here we can upload a file from our local drive. And also you can record your voice. And here we can start a meeting or video meeting from Google Meet. So if you're a professor or an instructor, it is much easier for you to create your online classes. Now, if you're going to create spaces, or in other terms, it is a group chat, go to new chat and then click the create a space. Now after that, you're going to name your space. So for example, I am a professor and I'm tutoring for dash 3 or section 3. I'm going to name it dash 3. And then we can also assign an emoji for this group. And then let's click the create button. And here we already have our space, so we can add members, share a file, and then assign task. We can also use apps to enhance our space and enable for us to add the people or group for this space. Just enter their emails and then click add. We're going to add one more. And there we have it. Just click the add button. Let's access one. And now we have our members for this space. We can here manage members. You can see their email and their names, the ones that added and invited, and the space details. You can add descriptions and then guidelines. And here is the apps and integrations. Now, if we go over here, we have the shared files in the Google Chat that allows users to upload or link documents, images, and other files directly in chats or spaces. It organizes all shared files, making them easy access to everyone, and then this improves collaboration by enables them to quick share their files, and it saves time and keep the conversations productive. Now we also have here the task section where you can add tasks for each of your members. And then here we have the home, the mentions. This is where will appear if someone mentions you, and then the start. And then here we also have the Google Calendar. It lets users schedule, share, and manage events directly in chat. So if you have any schedule or scheduled tasks, this is where will it appear. Now we also have here the keep option or the notes. That allows you to create, access, and share notes or lists directly within the chats. It helps the teams to stay organized by enabling quick note taking, task tracking, and idea sharing without leaving the conversation. Now we also have the task where it lets users create, assign, and manage tasks directly within the chats or spaces. Now it helps track responsibilities, set deadlines, and organize work efficiently, ensuring team members stay on the top of their assignments. So how do you add task? Simply click the add task and create a title for your task. For example, you have an assignment and then you can put some details, or let's just edit this one. And here select the date of the deadline or the set time of your task, and then you can either choose to repeat this task. And then once you're done, just check your task and then it's done. You can also undo if you're mistakenly checked it. You can also add subtask delete, and that's it. You can also find your contacts here, and in the calendar you can see that we have the added task here. Now in the chat settings, we have here the options of a lot of things. You can just simply check it out. You can also change the appearance from light to dark. And here we have the status. You can choose whether you're automatic, do not disturb, or set as away, or you can custom your status. And then that's it, guys. I hope that you learned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.